Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to change your Facebook language. First, you need to go and log in your Facebook account. After that, click in the menu button at the top right side in Facebook. Then, click in the menu button and option you can see settings. And after that, you can see a language button here. After click there, Facebook will show you a language page. And here you can see the Facebook language option. Remember, this will change language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook and only for this account. Then click in the edit button. Now you can see the Facebook language change option here. Select your desired language as you want. After selecting language, just click in the Save Changes button. Now you can see my Facebook account language has been changed. And that's how it's worked. Now your language has been changed for your Facebook account.